Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a long time since y'all last saw me, but your girl is back. And I am coming to you with a collab from Haniix. I'm not sure if this is how you pronounce it, but they are a contact lens brand. I was able to choose 3 different colors and we're going to try them on today. Okay, so here is the packaging. This is what it looks like and all of the contents that come inside. So you do get your application tool and picker, as well as a contact lens case, which I've already put in my contacts. I'm gonna pop in one so you can see the comparison from my dark brown eyes to the contacts. So we're gonna go in with Focus Brown. They have the name right here on the packaging. All right, you guys, so here is the first pair, which is Focus Brown. As you guys can see, it's a big difference between my dark brown eyes versus the contacts. They're very natural looking as far as some of the other brands. And I love these. They blend nicely with my natural eye color. They feel very soft. It doesn't feel like anything is on my eye, which I love that, because you guys know back in the day we used to have those contacts from the beauty supply store or wherever you got yours, and baby, those were very uncomfortable. These are very comfortable. The little tool that I used was very easy for me to just pop it in there. So I'm interested to see if I'm able to use that picker to get it out, because sometimes brands do have pickers that don't really work that well with taking them out, especially since I have on nails, so I'm not able to get in there and get it out. So I'm hoping that these work, and we are going to demonstrate that. But I just wanted to show you guys what they look like compared to my natural dark brown eyes. So this is what they both look like in. Give you guys a close-up. Super comfortable. I feel like they are definitely gorgeous. Y'all let me know what y'all think of these. Okay, so yeah, these actually do work. All right, y'all, so here we have Tasha Brown, and I absolutely love these, you guys. They are gorgeous. Like, they look so natural. Let me come in so y'all can see. And I love these. They have like this brown inner ring with a gray outer ring. I love that. Like, I would wear these every day. These are definitely wearable for every day. And if I forgot to mention, these do last for a year. Let me go ahead and put the other one in so y'all can get a really good look. Okay, y'all, so here they are both in, and I just fell in love. Y'all let me know if I'm tripping or not, but baby, these are bringing out the confidence. Like, do y'all see this? Wow. Like, girl, y'all can't tell me nothing in these. They aren't doing too much. Like, these are natural everyday wear. Oh my gosh, I love these down. Girl. Yes, Haniix, I love these. I'm actually wearing these today, tonight, when I go out to hang with the fam. Y'all, I found my new pair of contacts. Like, these are eating down, okay? I love them, period. Girl, you can't tell me nothing. Like, what? Girl, gorgeous. Yes. And usually I like to give, you know, some of my contacts to my sisters, but baby, these, they're staying right here. Okay, so I just wanted to show y'all how easy it is to put them in. And these are called Mercy Green. Love these down as well. They look really pretty. They have a nice green hue to them. And from what I can see, they look pretty natural. All right, y'all, so here are both of the contacts in. For them to be like green, they still look really natural. Make sure that y'all let me know what y'all think. I want you guys' opinion on which one of these are your faves. So far, the number 1 is Tasha Brown. These are second, and then the first pair, Focus Brown, is last. But let me come in close so y'all can get a really good look. Like, it looks like a little brown hue going into like a green. Oh my goodness. Now Haniix, y'all did y'all big one with these contacts, and like I said, these do last for a year. They're super easy to put in and to take out, which I did display that to you guys so y'all could see. I was able to get these contacts in and out with no issues. So yeah, y'all let me know how y'all feel about each of these contacts, which one was your favorite in the comment section down below. Make sure that you guys check out Haniix. I will have their name across the screen as well as their information in the description box below, as well as a discount code so you guys can get some money off. If you girls are interested in wearing contacts and changing up your look, make sure that y'all go ahead and check them out because baby, they are eating down. As y'all can see, it's tea. So yeah, I love you guys. Hopefully you guys will stick around. I will be back with another video.